Alright guys, so you guys, we have a big ass thing today. Look, like it's not gonna even fit in the frame.
What does my face tell you?
But look. Ooh.
Does it say that I'm vain?
So,
or does it tell you that I'm strong?
Skin, eyes, and lips.
Then I'll run
Like
this
look,
company someday.
there's 3 drawers full of CoverGirl
My
products.
face can be bold. When
They
you
send
expect
over
me to
all
be
of
weak.
this to me in PR. So you guys, they send all of this ginormous ass shit in PR. As you guys can see, CoverGirl, yeah. I mean, all of their full collection of their glosses and their liquid lipsticks. And then they also sent over on their eyes part this whole thing. So 3 palettes, some liners over here, some mascaras, some brow products, and some pomades down here. So for the face, they ended up sending me a lot of their concealer shades, some powders right here. They also send over their setting spray, a color correct their color correcting thing, and then over here are some highlighters. So this is the CoverGirl pencil. We are going to be taking the color Rich Brown 705. So it is a twisty up pencil, and let's go right ahead and start brushing these brows upwards. And I'm going to go right ahead and start filling it in. So I feel like it's so natural, so you guys, let's not go in with that. So I'm gonna go in with this eyebrow pomade from CoverGirl. It comes up with like a little brush, but I'm not gonna use that brush. I'm actually gonna use my normal brush that I use, which is the Anastasia brush. But if you guys open up the CoverGirl product, the pomade is in there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna dip in our brush in there. Put some on the back of my hand, just like that. So let's see how this product works, guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I just outlined the top of the brow. Now I'm going to go on the bottom of the brow. So it's definitely pigmented, I will say that. And then I'm gonna go right in the front of the brow, guys, and start blending upwards. Alright guys, I definitely like the color of the pomade crap. Alright guys, so we're going to be going in with the concealer. The thing is that the packaging is what has the name of the color concealer, and they don't send it with the packaging. They just send it just like this by itself. So this concealer is a little bit watery, so I gotta really pat it down to really set it. So I have these two palettes in front of me. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. So this one is Cool Cat, and this one is Hot Cat. So Cool Cat and Hot Cat. I think I'm gonna end up going in with this one, which is the Cool Cat. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna lay down some transition colors first before I do anything. So I'm gonna be picking up a really warm eyeshadow. I'm gonna be putting that into the eye socket. I'm just like including this into the video just because you guys, I already know you guys are gonna ask, what did I use? Alright guys, so just like that. And then I want to go into that turquoisey kind of color, which is this one right here from that Kitty collection. I want to put that. Oh yeah, that's gonna really look pretty. I actually think I want to put that all over the eyes. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go right into that color. So you guys, what I'm doing right here is I'm just gonna blend those edges. Just want to see what it's gonna do for us and how pretty this shit could look. Alright guys, so I am just curling these lashes. And then after I curl these lashes, I'm going to be putting on some fake ones. I'm going to be putting on the Lilly Lashes in the style Miami, so extra. So this is the Peacock CoverGirl mascara. Looks like this. The one looks a little bit funny. I like how like separated they are though. I will say that. So I'm just going to be putting the Lilly Lashes So Extra Miami on. So just like this, guys, look how beautiful it looks with some big giant lashes. So my skin is all ready and primed. So now I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, which looks like that. And I am in the shade Desert Beige. So I'm just going to be applying that everywhere. So I'm going to try to keep everything that I can. I'm going to try to keep it under, you know, drugstore. Now I'm going to be going in with my foundation brush. This one is the Morphe E31. And I'm just going to be pressing this foundation into the skin. So I'm just using this to like really get in there. And you guys, I really like this foundation. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's like super cheap. That's why I really love it. And the coverage on this shit is actually really pretty. The only downside to this foundation is the smell, but you could get it over it because once it sets in, you can't really smell it anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take that concealer, the CoverGirl concealer. I really don't know what shade this is, guys, because like I said before, I got this in PR, and on the actual concealer, it does not say the shade. It only says the shade on the box. But since I got this in PR, it didn't come with the box, so I don't know what shade this is, guys. When CoverGirl came out with all this Vitalist concealer stuff and foundation and powders, I did a little review on them, and so I already tried out, you know, like these concealers, so I already know what to do. I had to apply it, and then after I applied it, I had to apply more to get that real full coverage, intense look that I wanted. So to set all of this bakage, guys, I am gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 10 to really set underneath those eyes. I'm going to be actually setting my face with the LA Girl Pro powder in the shade medium beige, and I'm actually not going to put a lot of powder on. I'm just going to actually really just use this to brush a little bit onto the temples, just to mattify just a little bit. Just a little bit, and then you guys, I'm gonna sweep away this bakage. I even took it all the way to the back of my hairline. Just very little bit of the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Hoola by Benefit, I meant. So just like that, go on the perimeter of my temple. And I'm having a little bit of bronzer, you know, that helmet bronzer, whatever you call it, moment. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of that translucent powder from earlier, and I'm gonna just put it right up above here, just to really like make everything look better. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the shade La Peach. You guys already know I love to use this one. from that same palette, guys, I'm going to take this gold shade right there, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner of the eyes. Wow. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be taking those brown shades that we took a little bit earlier. Put that on that lower lash line. Just I'm going to take this liquid lip from CoverGirl in the shade Cakewalk. So just like that, take that same pencil and start meshing it all together. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really liked how all of this came out. I'm so glad that I stepped out of my comfort zone. The eyes even go with my shirt. Everything looks so really beautiful. This is all pretty much drugstore friendly. I really had fun playing with all of this again. I actually forgot how much I loved this Wet n Wild foundation. Like, you guys, it is so pretty, and it's only like $4. I love all of the products. There's not a miss in here at all that I tried out today. So I really enjoy these products, and thank you guys so much at CoverGirl for sending me them, and I love you guys so much. And if you guys aren't subscribed, then you guys hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait on it, and I will have a new video up for you guys very, very soon. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.